Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the track. Create a new Garageband project and select a mono audio track so the effect behaves predictably. Record clean, dry audio with good headroom, aim around -6 dB because the tape stop manipulates playback and distortion will complicate the result. Once recorded, make sure to trim silence and split at the point where you want the stop to begin. This first split lets you apply tempo-independent edits, which is why you didn't use tempo automation yet. Once you've split the region, duplicate it so you have a backup, then enable flex time on the copy to allow tempo-like manipulation without changing the project tempo. Next, gradually lower transposition automation over the duplicated region to create the pitch drop. A tape stop is pitch plus slowdown. Simultaneously, use flex time to stretch the audio slightly, matching the perceived slowdown. This combination makes the effect realistic because tape stops change speed and pitch together. Finish by automating a short volume fade that lines up with the pitch and time changes so the stop feels organic, not abrupt. Then bounce the affected region to a new audio file and swap it into the arrangement for reliable playback. Bounced audio avoids real-time CPU glitches. If you hear artifacts or stuttering, increase buffer size, render the region at a higher quality, and reapply smaller flex time adjustments. This fixes timing glitches because rendering removes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.